Hello friends, today we are going to learn Chapter 12 Electricity. Electric current and its sources. One of the most useful things during a power cut is an electric torch. You must have noticed that the bulb inside the torch starts glowing when we switch it on. Have you wondered why this happens? This happens because when we switch on the torch, an electric current passes through the bulb, making it glow. Which part of the torch do you think is responsible for providing this current? This current is provided by electric cell. Electrical cell. Electrical cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. These cells produce an electric current due to the chemical reactions taking place inside them. When the stored chemical energy is used up, the cells need to be replaced with a new set of cells. The cells used in a torch are called dry cells. Dry cells are very commonly used sources of electric current. A dry cell has a zinc container inside which there is a layer of ammonium chloride paste. A carbon rod covered with a metal cap is at the center of the cell. The carbon rod is surrounded by a mixture of manganese dioxide and carbon powder. The whole setup is then sealed, leaving only the metal cap exposed. Have you ever observed the terminal parts of a cell? An electric cell has two terminals. One is the positive terminal and the other is the negative terminal. You might have noticed that at one end there is a minus symbol and at the other end a plus symbol is printed. These are the terminals of the cell. Electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell through the external path. There are many types of electric cells. These vary according to their shapes and sizes. A dry cell is classified into AAA cells, AA cells, and D cells depending on the size of the cell. Electric cells are used in many portable devices such as torches, radios, watches, and alarms. D cells and AA cells are used in torches, radios, and audio players. AA cells and AAA cells in torches, radios, and audio players. AA cells and AAA cells are used in cordless phones, toys, camcorders, remote controls, etc. Button cells are used in small portable electronic devices such as wrist watches, calculators, hearing aids, digital thermometers, and LED flashlights. Solar cells. The cells that are capable of converting solar energy into electrical energy are called solar cells. A number of solar cells connected together can generate sufficient electric current for our applications. When many solar cells are connected together to obtain the required current, it is called a solar panel. You might have seen solar panels for many devices like emergency lamps, calculators, etc. They are also used for operating traffic signals, to provide electricity to artificial satellites, etc.